This is Ian, my good friend, who's gonna teach me Moroccan chicken. Is that right?
Yes. That's right.
Yeah. So, yeah. Well, we've been in lockdown for 5 weeks now.
Of course. Yes. But hang on, it's been 5 weeks, but didn't they announce another 4 weeks start of this week?
Yes, we've got another 4 weeks.
God.
I'm just gonna pop you on there, and you can see what you should be able to see what I'm doing when I'm here.
Oh, that's very good. Yes.
Yeah.
It freezes okay.
Okay. Good.
So I freeze it. So obviously I'm gonna cook as well.
Yeah. So this is going to be different. So you're cooking as well as me cooking. So
yeah.
The only thing I haven't done, I haven't prepped my onions because I was told by someone the other day that if you leave this part on, the actual bulb part, and cut into it and take that off at the end, you won't cry.
Okay.
So, like, if you leave this bit on, okay, that's why I haven't prepped the onion, because I'm going to give it a try and see. Right, okay. Well, I can tell you that's a load of rubbish because I'm starting to cry.
Yeah, I couldn't understand.
Oh, yeah, Suede.
That's a Swede.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Now with that,
yeah,
you might want to chop it up and boil it.
Okay. Right here.
So butternut squash is a lot softer, so it cooks whilst everything's in the pot.
Yeah.
But Suede won't. Suede will still say a bit of a crunch, and you don't really want a crunch in the dish.
Right.
So you might want to chop that up and then just stick it on to boil for 10-15 minutes.
Okay, right, yeah.
Okay. Oh, she's big already.
Yeah, she's huge.
Wow.
Say hi.
Hello. Oh, never.
This is Rain. She is 4 months old.
Oh my God, she's going to be massive.
She is. She's going to be a very, very big dog. Right, let me just wash my hands. So what's got to go in the blender?
Right, wait a minute. So you need to put your ginger peeled into the blender with the onion and with your garlic.
And chop up the garlic?
Well, it'll get blended up. But you can do if you want to give it a helping hand.
Okay.
And then 100 grams of tomato. I want to use tinned tomato, if I'm honest. I don't do fresh.
Yeah.
But feel free to use fresh or tinned.
Okay, so I need to put all this into all of the onion.
Sorry?
Both onions, because one's chopped roughly, one's chopped not so roughly.
No, just not the slice. You need to keep the slice to the side.
Okay. Will that go into like a paste?
Yeah, it's a relatively smooth paste.
Right, so it's gone to a paste like that?
Yeah, that looks good. So now we're going to chuck the chicken in the pan.
So the chicken, have you got to cut it up finely or?
No, so we chuck the breasts in whole. So if you put on
This is just to brown it off, yeah?
Yeah. There we go.
Right, I'm just going to pop you on so people see you there, who I'm cooking with.
Okay. See if you can.
So it's not full, it's not cooked all the way through, it's just brown.
Sorry?
It's not cooked through, it's just brown.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, okay.
Sorry, we're going to cook later. And then if you add another tablespoon of olive oil into the pan,
Yeah.
and then if you put your sliced onion into the pan and fry them off.
Right, so another
On a
tablespoon,
medium to high heat.
so another tablespoon of olive oil.
Yeah,
Right. Let me do
just
my.
ground, a tablespoon of ground coriander.
Hang on. So 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, and then 1 tablespoon of ground coriander. Did you say?
Yeah, a tablespoon of ground coriander.
Right. So I need to add my chicken back in as whole pieces.
Yes, pop the chicken back in.
Turn the heat back up.
Give it a bit of a stir around so it gets coated in the paste.
Right, so make sure the chicken is coated in the paste that's in there. Right, I'm just going to put my extractor on.
Yeah, no problem.
So it might be a little, I'll put it on a low. It'll be enough just to take away the. Okay, now, right, that's piping away nicely. Shall I put the Suede in now? Yeah.
Then adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I use white sugar because that's all I've got. Actually, no, I do have brown somewhere.
2 tablespoons of brown sugar.
Yeah. And you want to add in your 600 ml of chicken stock and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. But again, I just use normal vinegar.
Right, I've got red wine vinegar.
Oh, there we go, perfect.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons, yeah.
And then 600 ml of stock. So add the chicken stock in.
Yeah, add the chicken stock in. So you should have your sweetener, chicken stock, your brown sugar, your red wine vinegar.
Yeah.
Then if you bring it up to the boil,
Yeah, which it is.
okay, and then turn it down to simmer,
Yeah.
and then you simmer it for half an hour.
Okay. Great. So what we've got to do is once this is cooked for 30 minutes, we're going to take the chicken back out, make sure it's on a fresh plate.
Yes.
And then take it out and pull it apart with 2 forks, did you say?
Yeah, so if you put it onto a clean plate or into a clean chopping board, and then just shred the chicken using 2 forks, it should fall apart really easily. And then once you've shredded that, pop it back into the pan, give it a quick stir around, serve it on a bed of couscous with some cubed feta on top.
Yeah.
If you've got a little bit of mint, you can chop some mint up and sprinkle that over the top. It's very nice, but not essential. And that's it. Yeah, enjoy.
And out of all my ingredients, and I'm saying this because everyone would have seen it on the video, I've got a lemon left. So it's just move that out of the way. Thank you so much for doing this. It smells absolutely delicious. So, how's yours going?
Yeah, so it's all bubbling away quite nicely.
Yeah.
Sorry.
What's great is I've made the same thing that you have, but like you was in the room, you know?
Yes. Yeah.
So,
What does yours look like?
I'll show you. Hang on a second.
Oh, it looks identical.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you can see that the sweet's taken on the colour of the turmeric, so it actually looks like butternut squash.
Yes, it does.
So that's what works quite well.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Well, thank you very much. Oh.
My pleasure. I hope you enjoy it. I absolutely love Moroccan food. It's got to be my all-time favourite cuisine.
Yeah, it smells delicious, so I can't wait. Making my tummy rumble.
So it should be, all the juice should absorb. So it shouldn't be runny. It should absorb quite nicely, either into the chicken or into the Swede or butternut squash.
Right. So it becomes what would it look like? Like a
thin gravy, I suppose.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll thicken up.
Okay.
If it looks really runny, then just leave it on there for a little bit longer.
Yeah. Okie dokie. Well, enjoy yours, and I'm sure we'll enjoy mine, and I'll post a video, and you'll see what the outcome was like. So it's been just over 30 minutes, and I tasted the Suede, and it was still it wasn't soft enough, so I've given it just another 5 minutes. So again, test before you get the chicken out. So I'm just going to take the chicken out and we're going to shred it, okay, using 2 forks, and then put it back into the sauce. So, as you can see, I've shredded all the chicken, put it in, and now I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Has evaporated, and it's like a gravy. It smells delicious. So this is the final product, okay. With some crumbled feta on top.